Well, these are some posters or brochures that I created using Gemini's Nano Banana. They are based on real products, but the decoration, text position, and the whole design was generated by AI. So if you want to create a marketing campaign for your product or brand during the October Halloween season, then let me show you the one prompt that you can use on virtually any purpose, from a discount, product announcement, event, or anything like that, that could attract attention to your business. So let me show you how you can use it. Let me just navigate to gemini.google.com, and for this demonstration, I will try to use the Stanley tumbler. Let me just copy the picture and paste that right here. So you have to upload your product picture, and after that you can insert this AI prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to provide the full prompt in the video description, but there is one thing here that you need to change in the prompt. But let me just paste that into the Gemini text area. The thing that you have to change is this section, the one that says insert your custom details here. So you can insert information like product discounts, shop hours, schedules, etc. So you have to put it right here, and I actually have some examples that again I will provide in the video description down below in case you want to get some inspiration. So let me just copy, I guess, one of them. And by the way, these are just examples, they're not really related to the product. This is just to show you the format of the details. Okay, let me just copy and paste that right here. Okay, click tools, create images, and send the message. So the prompt is very long, I have to admit, but that was intentional because as usual, I want to make sure that the prompt can be used on any situation and you don't have to worry about too much detail. And in fact, right now, there's only one thing that you need to change, which is the detail right here. So yeah, that's the reason why the prompt is very long, but that's actually very useful and it's going to ensure the consistency of the result. Okay, so we got this result, and yeah, I would say it is decent. Maybe the color is a bit off, but if you're not quite happy with the result, you can try again. You can click this redo button and you can get perhaps a different generation, or given that this is a text-based interface, you can always tell Gemini about the thing that you want to change from the picture. But that's basically how you can generate a sort of poster or brochures for your product using Gemini's Nano Banana. Again, the full prompt can be found in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.